Natikman mo na ba ang pho ng Flowers Republic? Actually, pho is a Vietnamese food. And there's a beef here. Tofu. Meron ding vegetables. Toge, of course. Thick noodles. Siyempre, mag-garnish muna tayo. Meron tayo dito. What do you call this one? Cilantro. Basil. Meron tayong basil. Pang-aroma. There's a lemon. This is the sriracha and hoisin sauce. Okay. Bahala ka na kung anong spicy level ang gusto mo. But I like medyo spicy para may sipa. The moment of truth. One more. Taste natin yung beef. The beef is tender. I like it kasi yung texture ng noodles, sakto lang. The tofu. It's really soothing. Hindi siya pang isang person lang. This is good for 2 people. Kasi ang dami. You can have this bowl of pho here at Flowers Republic. They're located at the Capitol Building. Dito lang siya sa may bypass road. San Vicente, Tarlac City. My verdict, it's 8 out of 10.